guys, this is me, Wolves of the Hill, and I'm gonna record another video. This is gonna be with Epic Girl 500 and Monster 100. So, let's start. Well, they got a head start. Oh yeah, yeah. Last time I got like a cream worn from this adventure. So this should go by really quick. Like quick. So I gotta stay here to unlock the cave for them. Okay. Just take all the gems. Oh, I found this little place in here. Ooh, come on. Okay, got it. There we go. Easy. I'm gonna troll someone. Gonna troll someone into thinking this is actually a cork. Ooh, she's gonna see the cork. Come on. See the cork. Come on. Okay. I will pause when they find it. Okay, whatsoever, they did not find it. That was just 21 seconds, so couldn't find it. So I was wondering. There, my bird. I'm not focusing. So I'm gonna be doing a giveaway soon, and it's gonna be doing I don't know, some sort of giveaway, and I will be doing a giveaway of, let's see, okay, so it's gonna be let's see, it is going to be, I'm not sure. Well, whatever, I'm just gonna plan that. Oh my god, whoopsies. I should have been focusing. Hocus pocus. Narg. Gotta find it. It's my destiny cork. I got it. Bouncing on my tail. That's so awesome. Okay. Got one. Nobody found anything yet. Except for me. I think I'm doing all the work. Whatsoever. It should be around here. Can't find it. Oh, someone probably took it. Okay, so we're gonna do another one. Fun. Yeah, this guy can't see me. Eye on someone else. Got his eyes on you. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. 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 Yeah. Oh my god. Oops. Seriously? Oops. Oh, spaghetti-o. Sorry. Mushroom. Okay. There's a bunch of mushrooms. I think there would be a cork in here or around. Gonna find it. Got it. Got 2 corks. Nyeh. Sorry. Whoever's watching this, I'm sorry. Well, whoever was playing this and is watching this now, yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm derpy. I'm recording. Actually recording for fun. Actually recording. Hold on a moment. Okay. Done. Recording for fun. Sorry. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Oh! Rooksies. I will quicken this up and cut unwanted parts. So, yeah. So, let's just cut this part and I will see you back. Okay, so I'm back and I'm going to get one of the last corks. If I can trap a phantom in a tree. I trap phantoms in trees. You can't find me. You must not. I'm majestic. I'm a majestic. Why you do this? Can't get caught. I can't get caught. Okay, I will skip this part and just get the cork. So, hold on. Okay, got it. So, okay, got the last one. Okay. Okie dokie. And one of you could do whatever. So I'm gonna show you some secret places. So this you may have seen quite a while. If you go down here, you can get this. And if you read what Cookie says, you did it. Now we can oh well. What she before said was there was hidden treasure boxes around. So that's how I found these. And also I just looked in this little gap and I was like, ooh. And then I went in there and then I found out. Which was pretty darn awesome. Okay. Yeah, do 4. Ooh, is that like the thing in Empty Shiver? Shipping? Yeah, okay, say that. Let me get this, and this is 200 gems, 400 gems over there, making that one, and the other one all the way around on the other side is 100, 200 gems. Yeah. So whoever, I don't know. Oh, weird. Yep. Let's help out. Sorry. Okay, so yeah. We're gonna skip ahead because I don't have that much time left. So we're gonna skip ahead and then we're gonna go all the way to the to the thingy majigger over there. Little block. So yeah, I'll skip and see you in a while. So okay. Well, in a second. So Hold on. Okay, just open the thing. Now we're gonna do the thingy. Let's go. Arctic wool. Arctic. Okay. I'm not gonna even bother. And cool! Yay! I got some wings. Wings. I got some cool mesh. Sorry. Wings. Orange mesh wings. Mech wings. Cool. Yeah, so, okay. Let's, continue. Let's continue. 11 minutes left. Wait a moment. Oh. I mean, yeah. Dear. 4 minutes left. Till I can't record anymore. Because there's a lame little time limit thing that I can only record for because I use Screencast-O-Matic, so yeah. I just record easily and cheesy. I go the cheesy way because I like cheese. Because cheese is awesome. Okay, let's collect some gems. And is there one over here? Or one over here? I'm gonna do this one because it's hard. It's hard to perfectly do the timing. Ah! Help! Help! Hurry, hurry, hurry! Hurry! Sorry. Hurry! Hurry! Okay. Okay, let's do this. I think I can do this. I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you. That sounded so weird. I do not know what that was. Da 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 da. Did you get any keys? Oh my gosh, it followed me through. How is that possible? How? Okay. So yeah, oh cheese globs. Oh my glob. There we go. Oh my glob. You got it, Bonnie girl. Yeah, so I'm gonna just pause this and then yeah. Because I only have about a minute left, so hold on. Okay, I unlocked one, so we got 2 more, so I will see you in another second. That was easy. I just got one. Okay, snowball. Okay, on you. Jack, Daisy, Snowball. Jack, Daisy, Snowball. Okay, Snowball. Jack, Daisy, Snowball. Okay, so I will meet you again in another second because I only have 50 more seconds. The last key, let's open Oliver. And then click eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I just get gems. So I guess I will see you guys in another episode of Wolves of the Hill. AJ. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you like or subscribe. Subscribe is even better. And yeah. See you tomorrow or something. So see ya. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah.